the way he was flexing when teaching us, his beard, like, he's handsome.
He's so fine. Did you even see how he was holding the chalk and was frightened?
I like him.
This guy is too fine.
Yeah.
Is that a problem? No, there's no problem. I came to Kwakwele so that we go and fetch water. Oh, but she told me she was coming to your place. She did? Yeah. Okay. I'm always in support of whatever that you do here. But that doesn't mean you will take advantage of us. What are you trying to tell us?
Abedu, just today, Nkwan. Today,
Hey,
don't make a ball you. Don't make a ball you. Bow. I thought what you were talking cry be some joke. Your mother. They make. You born me.
You make bed chop you. Charlie. Zach, you mess up. Charlie, I ask you say anytime you want to take bet, you know, stake 1x bet. You know how of 1x bet?
What that?
1x bet. If you register with the promo code Vision 2020 on your first deposit, they will give you 300% bonus.
300% bonus.
300% bonus, my guy. If you stake 1x, even if you didn't chop the bet, they will give you 10% of the money that you used to stake the bet.
What am I doing? Boy, I don't pay you this morning tea. 200 Ghana.
See.
So water food. I'll forget that.
Download them from your app store. And then you register with Vision 2020.
The promo code
promo code Vision 2020. They will give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. Step 1x bet.
Charlie, some of your bet if you are good bet.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Mama, my mama, why won't you give the herbalist a chance?
Should you even ask me this? Brago, would you have accepted his proposal if he had proposed to you?
You shouldn't risk this opportunity. You see, you are my friend, and I want the best for you. I have Bobole Bobo. If not for him, I would have given him a chance. But since you're my friend, I don't want you to be single. So you should give him a chance, okay?
I am patiently waiting for my kind of man, not a herbalist.
How do you know he's not your kind of man?
I'm looking for a strong, hard-working guy like your boyfriend Bobole Bobo, not Akachia.
He's also hardworking. He's strong.
No!
You.
I don't love him. Please, come and read.
No, I'm not reading.
You want him to come and kill you? Oh, please.
Think about it, oh. Think about it before it's too late, oh. No, mama.
Apele, where were you yesterday? I came to your house and you were not around. Mommy also told me that you were coming to my house. When you know for sure that you didn't come there.
I'm sorry.
What's up? Hey, Apele! Concentrate! Just look forward!
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Let's finish this.
Apele! Have you not coming to school? Where did you go?
Sir, I went to the one that
I don't even understand what you are trying to say. But whatever it is, just go and sit down and write the note quickly.
Good afternoon, in-law.
Who is your in-law? Huh? Who is your in-law? Stupid fool!
In-law, please. My wife cannot do. Has she come here?
Kwakudia. So you have the audacity to still call me your in-law? You lazy cocoon. Who doesn't know you in this village? Look at you. A man of your caliber holding orange. Everywhere you go, look at what you're doing. You don't want to put your hand at anything to do. And while your peers are working, farming, you are walking about and bragging. I have completed O level and I'm waiting for the government to give me a job. A job, my foot. A job, my foot. Instead of finding something to do, you are walking about haphazardly. You lazy cocoon. Who born you by mistake? And what pains me is that you have used only one sperm to impregnate my daughter. You have destroyed her life. A precious daughter of mine with high hopes that she will complete the highest level of education. You have destroyed her life. And you are here coming to look for Kunedu. Wait, so you sent her home to come and steal food so that you can enjoy, right? You see your life. You see your life. By the time I close my eyes and I open, I don't want to see you here. Get away. Get out from here. Lazy boy. Who born you by mistake?
And why is she here alone? Are you okay? What's bothering you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hey, look into my eyes. Nope, you are not. To what is she lying to King Elon?
Elon, my father seems to have less interest in my education. He only thinks I am meant to be at the kitchen. And I don't even know how I'm going to pay my fees and other expenses attached to it. I am so much confused. I am.
Only that. In that case, Your problem is sorted. With King Elon, everything is okay. Bye, I'm serious. Listen, we can help you pay your fees, okay? All I have to do is to tell my father about it and case sorted.
Hey, you kidding, right?
Come on, I'm serious. How can I be lying about something like this?
Your father?
Listen, King Elon doesn't play about situations like this. I'm serious. So that was why you were doing your face like that.
Like what?
Do you know what you look like?
What?
A pregnant one.
Hey, we don't say that to a woman.
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, okay. Bye. Please help me read the English topic teacher Mauli was teaching us.
That's fine, I will.
You sure?
Why not?
So, shall we go to class? Let me help you.
Someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be. We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget.
Akweli, so tell me, where did you go yesterday when I came to the house?
I was with Kwame.
And you lied to mommy that you were at my house.
I didn't know what to tell mommy, so I told her I was coming to your place.
You're a bad girl. You, what is with you and
Akweli, Teacher Mauli wants you in his office.
Oh, okay.
Right now.
Okay. Fasma, my friend, I'll see you later.
Okay, then I'll wait for you here.
Okay.
Don't keep long.
Okay. If you wait for me.
Where's my slippers? Where is it? My slippers, where is it?
You people want trouble for me in this school, eh? Do I have your slippers? This is my own. What am I using your slippers?
I just put mine there and I can't find it.
Go and ask your colleagues, eh?
I'll play a game. Ah, what's that? You're always cheating.
Bravo.
Baba?
Bravo.
Baba.
Oh, no, don't
worry. Let me help you.
Go and sit down.
Oh, let me help you.
Bravo, go and sit down. I'll drop it myself.
This is a lot.
Yeah. I'm really tired.
Baba.
Bravo.
Thank you, kid. Thank you, okay.
Oh.
Do you want to stay for the food or I should bring it later?
You have to bring it to my house. I am really tired. I need to take my bath. Okay? So, Brago. I'll ask to take my leave.
Okay.
Nanama, how are you?
Bobo, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm really fine.
Yes.
Please, you guys should take a very good care of yourselves. Please. You know how my Brago means a lot to me. Okay?
Okay.
Brago, one more thing. I am really sorry. I'm sorry that I didn't add any meat to the cassava.
Oh no, this is enough.
I know it is enough. My trap caught a rat, and unfortunately it was pregnant. So I had to release it to go and deliver and come back so I can catch it for you. I love you.
I love it too.
In fact, I have promised you that I will do everything possible to make you happy.
Papa.
Pago. You're really enjoying life.
I know, right?
Bobo is a very handsome and hard-working guy. Unlike what's the name? Kunedu. This girl is really suffering.
She has wasted her life. How can you get pregnant for someone who doesn't care about you?
Madam, let's play.
No, this is not yours.
Just I'll play you. Hi, Ellen.
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Owen.
I'm also fine, as you can see.
Oh, yes. Ellen, how's your friend?
You mean Elikem?
Of course.
Yeah, he's very, very fine. He's fine.
Hello. I hope you know. No,
I don't know anything unless you tell me.
Hey, you ain't stoned.
It's in my DNA.
Please, I'm begging you. Please talk to your friend for me. I really love him.
Esiwa. She really loves him. Wow. Love is really speaking. Alright. I'll tell him about it.
Santua, do you know something? Santua, I love you. Santua. If I can't see you, I can't sleep. Santua. Please, Santua, will you just give me one chance? Santua, I love you.
Ali Baba, you know I really like you. But I'm scared. Look, and I'm very young. I'm very young to date.
I know, Santua, I'll manage it. I know, say you are young. Santua, I love you.
Look at the kind of guys you are working with in this town. You don't even go to school. Just look at your hairstyle. Is it a Pampemu store or what?
Santua, this is my brand. It's one of my brand. Santua, forget that one. I love you, Santua. It's not this one go love you. My heart go love you. Santua,
I will only date you if you promise you will change.
Santua, I swear I will change. If you say love me, I will change. That one, it's my lifestyle, but if you love me, I will stop.
If you say so.
Are you sure you love me?
I really love you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure? Hey, you make me happy. Santua, do you just give me another hug? Hey, Santua. Santua,
Hey! Ejewa, I'll follow up. What do you want here?
You know I don't like that kind of teasing.
Is that not your name? Did I add something else? That's your name. I beg, accept it and arrange your face. Yeah, it's your name. Afono. You know I like you, especially this one.
My friend, what brought you here?
Frema said my maths book is with you. And I have to complete the question I left.
Hey, how come you didn't complete all? I realized you were able to complete number 1 to 5 and you left 6 and 7. For who? Whom did you leave it for?
So you can't complete it yourself, Madam Copy.
I didn't copy it. Okay. I was only trying to see if it tallies with my answers. Go away.
Okay, I hear you. Please, I'm coming for it. I have to solve it with Frema.
Oh, you guys are going to solve it. Of course. Then take the lead. I'll be with you shortly, so we solve it together.
No! Time, look at what you're doing.
I'll soon finish and join you guys. So go. I'll be there in a jiffy.
You join us to copyright.
Oh, this time around.
Copy.
This time around, I'm coming to solve with you guys. I won't copy. You are lucky it's maths. If it were to be English, I wouldn't have come for your book. I beg, leave.
English, madam.
English,
madam. Oh, you're not lying.
You know I'm good at English. And you're good at maths. So why are you teasing me? Go.
How can I tease the copy,
I'll
madam?
bring it then. So take the lead.
Copy.
Copy,
madam.
Madam Chicks, I really love this one. Look at my face. I love this one. I beg, leave.
Copy.
I'll come and slap
Shame
you.
on you. Please, 5 minutes. Copy.
Go away, I beg.
Hey,
Silly girl.
5 minutes, oh.
Go away.
5 minutes.
Consma, how are you?
I'm very well, Alikem.
Thank God. Consma, I wanted to speak to you about something that is really disturbing me.
Okay, I'm listening. Talk to me.
I don't know how you are going to take this if I tell you.
Alikem, as you can see, my friend Ifia and I were on our way going somewhere and you stopped us. Talk to me. If there's anything you want me to help you with, I will. Why not?
I want you to what? No. I want to ask if you've eaten. I want to ask if you've eaten.
Hey, Alikem, is this all you wanted to say?
Yes.
What? You've wasted our time. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I've eaten. I'm leaving.
Okay. Bye-bye. Hey. Alikem, your mom died. Hey. Hey.
Next, back in the days.
Hey! What are you doing, my farm? Huh? That is not the question I asked you. I asked you, what are you doing here?
Oh, we are just admiring the nature. We are just having fun.
Yeah.
You have a nice farm.
For how long will you continue to pick food stuff from this house for that good-for-nothing boyfriend of yours? Why don't you tell your boyfriend to find some work to do so you won't find yourself in this predicament?
Mama.
So you are supporting Papa? Oh, shut up.
Easy, you are too much.
Hey!
Really?
teacher, mommy, your teaching was too good and the thing was too sweet. You
Eh.
wanted to kill me.
Oh, Akele, you see, I was just using what my father gave me.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready my nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Ready man. Itumufuna mwentia. Itumufuna mwentia. Itumufuna mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Asembe ba debi o. Jaya kuboni dio, ticha mauli. Jaya kuboni dio.